If you like the delicate flavors of smoked salmon, you'll love this cold smoked salmon salad with grilled persimmons, arugula, and lemon maple vinaigrette. The marinade in this recipe produces a slightly sweet smoked salmon with a candy-like texture that's similar to jerky. For the candied salmon, combine the sugar and salt. Place the sugar mixture in a 1/4 inch thick layer in a pan just large enough to hold our AquaBounty salmon in a single layer with a little space between each piece. Place the pieces of the salmon in the container, leaving a 1/4 inch space in between each piece. Pour the remaining sugar mixture over the salmon to coat. Cover and let cure in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Remove the salmon from the cure and place it on a baking sheet with a wire rack on it. Place the salmon uncovered in the refrigerator by the fan for 4 to 6 hours. This is to form a pellicle or a skin, which allows the smoke to better adhere to the surface of the fish when smoking. Set up a 175-degree Fahrenheit smoker. Place the salmon on the rack in the smoker and smoke for 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and has achieved the desired smoke level. Brush the salmon with maple syrup during the smoking process. Let cool. For the lemon maple vinaigrette, combine the lemon, maple syrup, and mustard in a bowl. Whisk in the olive oil and season with salt and pepper. For the grilled persimmons, preheat a grill over medium-high heat. Toss the peeled and cut persimmon wedges with olive oil and place on the grill. Grill on both sides until nicely charred but still crisp. Let these come to room temperature. Combine the arugula, frise, endive, and chives in a bowl. Add the persimmons and drizzle with the vinaigrette. Season with salt and pepper. Plate the salad, topping with the candied salmon broken into large chunks and toasted nuts. And there you have it, our finished smoked salmon salad with grilled persimmons, arugula, and lemon maple vinaigrette. Delicious!